Hello guys, so I just want to share with you my own version of yummy chicken broccoli. So usually when we cook ay chicken breast, medyo matigas siya kapag matagal mo siyang niluto. So this is the way guys para soft pa rin yung chicken breast. So I achieved the texture that I want. It's so soft. It's soft and cook. At hindi siya hindi siya half cook kumbaga. So ganito pala gawin. So watch it guys. So first I marinate with salt, pepper and soya sauce yung chicken breast, and you need to add corn flour, and then after corn flour you need to add the sesame oil and cooking oil, just 1 teaspoon guys, cannot use a lot. And then I put sugar also guys on the chicken. Sugar, soya sauce, pepper, and salt. Yun una yung imimix sa corn flour. And then, sesame oil and then oil. Tapos, i-marinate nyo siya for 30 minutes, guys. And that's it. And after that, linisan nyo na muna itong broccoli. Usually, paano kayo gumawa ng maglinis ng broccoli, guys? Ako kasi, nilalagyan ko ng salt yung water para kung may uod man siya, so syempre lalabas yung uod, hindi siya magsistay doon sa gulay. And then, you need to rinse it twice or thrice. At itong broccoli guys, na-notice yung broccoli na nabili dito. May dito kasi sa HK, merong broccoli na yung nakahiwalay-walay na. Hindi siya yung hindi siya yung buo na parang flower. Then, hindi ko na napakita sa inyo kung paano ko yung hiniwa yung aking ginger and garlic. Kasi yung garlic ko guys is naka-preserve yung garlic ko na nagcha-chop ako ng garlic na madami. Tapos, nalagyan ko siya ng oil to preserve para mabilis na yung pagluto. And then, ito shredded ginger. Tapos, i-fry yung ginger until golden brown. And then, ilagay nyo yung chicken. Tapos, stir nyo siya guys for a while. Like 3 minutes, like that. And then, you need to add salt and pepper, water. Then, you add salt and pepper para may lasa siya guys, para malinamnam. And then, after nyan, you say cover, and then you need to see and touch guys, nyo yung meat ng chicken if luto siya. And then, ito sa gulay naman. So, di ba nakita nyo siya na tinanggal ko na yung chicken kasi ayoko siyang ma-overcook. And then, binalik ko yung sauce para may sauce yung ating broccoli. So, dyan ko lutuin yung broccoli. And then, I add salt, sugar. Yun lang. And then, you need to cook until it's softened. And then, after that, you need to add your chicken na guys kapag luto na yung inyong broccoli. Huwag nyo siyang ilagay kapag hindi pa luto yung broccoli para hindi siya ma-overcook. So, ganun lang yung pagluto ko ng chicken broccoli guys. May yummy chicken broccoli. So yummy guys. It tastes so yummy. So hindi mo na kailangan maglagay pa ng mga seasonings na hindi dapat para sa ating katawan. Just kidding. So ayun lang guys. Yun yan ang aking yummy chicken broccoli. Thank you for watching guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share if nagustuhan nyo itong video. God bless you and take care always.